Hi, Bob Morrow from emailhomes.ca, talking to you with the upper level of that basement unit I was just talking about a few minutes ago. So this is the upstairs. We have knocked out a wall to make a nice big open concept. We put in a brand new kitchen, similar to downstairs, same quality of finishings, etc. You've got laundry, the upstairs laundry here, and what used to be the stairs to go down. So this is the level of quality that we're going to try and do with a full gutted house, because this unit is going to rent for around $1,700. So for $1,700 for this 3-bedroom bath and this open concept kitchen, dining area and living area, with the $1,400 down below is going to bring in $3,100 a month for a house that costs roughly $100,000 totally to renovate. And you know, we purchased it for around the 400 mark. So it's a great cash flowing house, and long term it's a very popular house because of the finishes.